Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com. Let's take a look together at this Diode Dynamics SS5 Pro LED Combo Pod Light. Now this 5-inch LED combo pod light is going to be great for seeing near and far, giving you bright light with reduced glare for improved visibility and safety. As you can see, I do have this connected to my power source already. And what you're currently seeing is one of my favorite features of these lights, and that's the backlight. The backlight on this light is selectable, so you're going to be able to choose up to 8 different colors. I am going to turn my studio lights off, go out for a wide view, and try to go through some of those colors for you just so you can get an idea of what's available. So you're going to get blue, red, teal, amber, green, purple, yellow, and white. And it's going to be a whole lot easier to switch through these colors when you have a switch on this light. As you can see there, I'm on white, the white backlight right now. Let me throw a photo up there just to give you a better representation of the colors that are available. Now, those colors, the backlight rather, is going to be great for giving you a little bit of extra style on your vehicle. It's also going to give you a little more visibility when you're not using the main beam. And selecting the backlight color is going to be pretty easy. You're just going to alternate the power on and off with the switch that you install with this light. That switch is sold separately. You just pick up a switch that'll work with this light, and you'll be able to more easily switch the color of that backlight. So there's not going to be any complicated programming with a controller or anything like that. So back to my backlight, looks like I've chosen a blue color. Let me show you that main beam. So as you can see, quite a bit of difference there. So there's our backlight and then our main beam. And then I'm going to turn this light and face the wall behind me there just to give you a look at that beam. This combo pattern beam is a mix between a driving beam and a flood beam. So this light is going to be great for all around use. This light has a color temperature of 6,000 Kelvin. So that cool white color is going to match most of your factory LED lights. And switching my lights back on here, I'm just going to turn this light back around. Again, even with my studio lights on, you can see just how bright this light is. Now this light does have a raw lumen rating of 9,700 lumens and a measured lumen rating of 9,600 lumens. And this has a peak beam intensity of 75,700 candela. Now in case you don't know, candela ratings measure the directional light output, and it's how anything is rated where you want light shining in a specific direction. Lumen ratings are just for omnidirectional output, like your regular light bulbs where you want light shining in all directions. But for a more detailed description of these ratings, you can visit this product page on our website, or Diode Dynamics provides additional information that you can find. Now the power draw on that main beam is 6 amps. And on the backlight, it's 0.25 amps. And this light is designed with the newer technology known as custom TIR optics. TIR stands for total internal reflection. So unlike the older technology that uses reflectors or simple projector lenses, which aren't real efficient at focusing all the light where you want it, this custom designed large TIR optic actually collects and then focuses all of that light forward very efficiently. And then instead of having another external lens, certain lens patterns have been molded directly into this lens surface. So that's going to prevent the normal efficiency loss that you see with an outside lens. As you might know, when you shine light through any type of glass or plastic, you could lose up to 10% of that light just from it shining through. So by making it as a part of this lens, you're actually going to pick up some efficiency rather than lose it. Now this does include the industry standard integrated Diode style connector. As you can see, I'm using this obviously to power the light, but here's a pigtail here showing you what that Diode style connector is going to look like, and that's just going to plug securely into place on in the back of that light. We also have 2 breather patches here at the base. Those are going to prevent moisture buildup in the light. And then these heat sinks on the back housing are going to do a great job of dissipating heat quickly to prolong the life of this light. Now, this light has been built with high intensity LED chips. It does feature a durable powder coated aluminum construction. The heavy duty construction is going to do a great job of withstanding extreme temperatures, corrosion, vibration. Testing has been completed to SAE standards, just like your factory lighting components on your vehicle. And an interesting fact is that Diode Dynamics actually designed, engineered, and assembled this light right down the highway from us at their headquarters here in the greater St. Louis area. Let's go over some measurements. The overall width from end to end, we're sitting pretty close to 5 1/8 inches wide. That's going to be the same measurement for our height. And then looking at the depth from the front of the light to the end of our heat sinks here, we are sitting pretty close to 2 3/4 inches deep. Now this light does draw high current and it does require adequately sized wiring for safe operation. So if you're not using a Diode Dynamics wiring harness, please make sure that you're using wiring that's sized at 16 gauge or larger. Now we do also offer this light with a bracket and hardware, or you can get a set of 2 of these lights with bracket and hardware. So we do have those options available if you just want more than just one light. And if this light isn't exactly what you're looking for, we do also offer other lighting solutions from Diode Dynamics here at etrailer.com. So be sure to check out those other offerings, and I'm confident you'll be able to find just what you need. Well, that's going to wrap up our look today. I do hope that our time together was illuminating for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.